Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove your Google account profile picture in just a few simple steps. Whether you want a fresh start or just prefer to go without a picture, this guide will make it quick and hassle-free. Stick around because by the end, you'll have your profile picture removed in no time. Open browser and log in first. Open your preferred web browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. This is essential because you need to be logged in to make changes to your profile. Access Profile menu. Next, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the browser window and click on it. This will open a small menu with options related to your account. Navigate to Account Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to the main page where all your account settings are managed. Enter Photo Settings. On your account management page, click directly on your current profile picture. This action will open the photo settings where you can update or remove your picture. Initiate removal. Here, you'll see an option labeled Remove. Click on it to start the process of removing your profile picture. Confirm deletion. Finally, a confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure. Click Remove once again, and that's it. Your Google account profile picture is now gone, leaving you with a clean default avatar. And there you have it. A super simple way to remove your Google account profile picture in just a few clicks. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.